Hi everyone. Today we are going to solve this problem, evaluate reverse Polish notation. Basically, we will use data structure called stack to solve this problem. Let's see what the problem is. The problem is you are given an array of strings that is token that represents an arithmetic expression in reverse Polish notation. Okay, evaluate the expression and return an integer that represents the value of the expression. Okay, so they said we are given the data uh, or array in the form of reverse Polish notation. So what the reverse Polish notation is? We have the operands first, then we have the operator. So this is in this form we are given a data. So basically this is called reverse Polish notation because there are the first we have the operands, then we have the operator. So we have to use these data in the form of reverse Polish notation. Then we will use this data to evaluate our uh, this evaluate this expression or notation. So basically we have to evaluate the expression and then return integer that represents the value of the expression. After evaluating the value we will get, like if we evaluate this expression, then it means 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. We have to return the value 4. So basically this is the question. Some of the note they have given. Let's see. The valid operators are plus minus operate multiplication division, and each operand may be an integer or another expression. Okay, the division between two integers always translates to 0, and there will not be any division by 0. So make we do not need to worry about uh, division by 0. They said they have already told us there will not be any division by 0. So the input parameters are valid arithmetic expression in a reverse Polish notation. Okay, so इसका मतलब ये है कि इनपुट पैरामीटर्स जो हैं वो हमारे पास रिवर्स पॉलिनेटेशन में एक वैलिड अरिथमेटिक एक्सप्रेशन होगा. कोई भी ऐसा एक्सप्रेशन नहीं होगा कि जिसको हम एवेल्युएट ही ना कर पाए. सारे एक्सप्रेशन जो दिए गए होंगे या जो वैलिड ऑपरेशन रिवर्स पॉलिनेटेशन दिया गया होगा वो एक वैलिड होगा. The answers and all arithmetic calculation can be presented in 32-bit integer. So these are some of the notes they have given. One is, I think I am missing. The division by two integer always truncates to 0. अगर कहते हैं कि डिवाइड करें आप 0 से, तो वो हमेशा जो वैल्यू होगी वो 0 को ट्रंकेट कर जाएगी. तो हम इसके सोल्यूशन की तरफ अगर हम देखें क्या करेंगे, तो एग्जांपल देखते हैं हम. Let's see. The example is the tokens array we have in the form of reverse Polish notation. You can see we have the first of all operands, then we have operators, and then again then again we have this complete expression, and after this complete expression we again have the operand and then again operator. So we have to evaluate how we will evaluate this expression using stack data structure. What we will do basically, we know that there are possible for arithmetic operators. We have plus, minus, multiplication, division. Then what we will do, we will create a data structure called stack like this. Then every operand that we got, we will push into the stack. Okay, let's see if we see in this array tokens, we have first of all 2. We will push these 2 into stack. Then again we have seen there 1. We will again push it into stack. Now we have seen the plus operator. So what we will do, we will pop these 2 values, topmost values. Then we will perform the arithmetic operation on these 2. So if I'll pop these values 1 plus 2, and these values are no longer existing in the stack now. So 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. Then we will push this 3 result into the stack. Okay, so इस तरह से हम अपनी लॉजिक लगाएंगे. यहाँ प्लस ही क्यों यूज किया गया? बिकॉज we have here plus. Okay, so now again we have we have read up operand. We will again push this operand into the stack. Then we will move towards the next element. Now we have read the operator. Again we will now these are not existing in the stack. Okay. Uh, Now the topmost two topmost elements in the stack are these two. We will pop these two, three, three. Then the operator we have read is the multiplication. Multiply by 3 is the 9. We will we before before popping we will use these values, and then we will pop these values. After popping the both of the values operands, you can say we will push the our result into the stack, that is 9. So now next we have no element next we have not any element in our array tokens. Now we will what we will do, we will return our topmost element in the stack, that is 9. That would be our result. So this we need to return. So if you see uh, if if you see into the tokens array, uh, they have explained like this: 2 plus 1 multiplied by 3, that is 9. So in this way that we can solve our problem by using the stack. So let's code it quickly. uh, First of all, we will we will declare a stack of type integer. So let's name it as stk. Then what we will do, we will need to traverse our array tokens. Uh, for that, I will use for loop starting from zeroth. Starting from zeroth, like starting from the start of an array and ending at the end of ending before the end element, like its index is 2 plus 2 0 1 2 3 4, and we will traverse until 4. So 0 1 2 3 4. So when the index I will when I will be 5, sorry for that, when I will be 5, then we will exit our loop. So for that, the condition will be tokens dot size. So this is basically this expression. What will it will return? It will return 5, and I will be less. Okay, it's okay. So it's okay. Uh, if we take the example of this have 5 elements. So the result will be 5. Our I will be terminated when after all of the 0 to 4 elements, after traversing all 0 to 4 elements in the tokens array. So I'm going to uh, increment it as well. Now, as we know, we have only two things. One is operands, second one is the operators. The operand we have integers, as mentioned here, only integer and another expression. And operators we have only 4. So we will perform here check one. If there is any of the element, like if there is not like this plus, okay, and also tokens at index side not like minus, and tokens at index I, not like multiplication, and at index I, not like division. Then what we will need to do, we will perform what we will do if any of the let me zoom in. If we have read value at index value in array, that is token at index I, not plus and not minus and not multiplication and not division, then we know the rest is the operand, because we know there are only possible operators are these. So if any one of these operators we have not in tokens at index I, then it means it is an operand. So what we will do, we will push that operand into the stack. So stk dot push. So here is one thing I would like to mention. We have the data and we have the element uh, as string. So we need to convert it into the integer before pushing into the stack. We have declared integer type stack. So we will use the function string to integer and passing it the value, that is tokens at index I. Okay. Then what we will do, we will perform check again. Okay, if this is not, if this is not, it means there is any one of the operator. There is one of the operator. So we will check else if there is tokens at index I is plus, then what we will do? We will need to pop out first of the two values. So first of the topmost values into the stack, then we will perform our operation, and again we will push our result into the stack. For that, let's use a variable integer num1 equals to tk dot top, and then pop it, pop. After popping, this is what we have saved our first value, then we popped the first value, and now I'm going to save the second value as tk dot top. Then what I will do, I will pop it as well. Okay, so after that we will perform our operation and push that up into the stack. So I am going to use directly into this functions parameter, that is num2 plus num1. Okay, so here is go. We have done stack dot push num1 num2 plus num1. Okay, so again, what we'll need, we will check. We can copy this code because there is nothing difference, because just we need to change this uh, operator. If the operator is this, we will not perform addition, we will perform subtraction. Rest of the code is same. Again, rest of code will be same for the multiplication as well and division as well, because we do not need to change anything else. We just need to uh, check the operator. So how simple it is, It is very simple. Okay. So I need to put here as well, and here. Okay. So in the end, what we will do, uh, in the end, what we will do, we will return the topmost element, because we know in the end there will be only one value, because we are uh, popping every value after using that value. Okay. Like here we have used second of, then popped it, and then we have pushed the result in, that is this, into the stack. So this is a very simple problem where we have used the stack data structure to solve this problem. Let's see if there is any bug. So it got accepted. So this is a very simple problem, and I hope you have, guys, you have enjoyed it.